Hey there, affiliate marketing enthusiasts. Welcome back to Xplorium. Today, we're diving deep into the world of affiliate marketing secrets. Are you ready to uncover the golden formula for finding profitable niches and products that'll turbocharge your affiliate marketing game? Well, you're in the right place. First things first, the secret sauce to affiliate marketing success is all about niche selection. Think of your niche as the foundation of your affiliate marketing empire. Start by identifying your passion and interests. What makes you tick? When you're passionate about your niche, your enthusiasm will shine through your content. Next, dig deep into market research. Utilize tools like Google Trends, Amazon bestsellers, and keyword research tools to identify trending niches and products. Evaluate your competition. Look for niches with moderate competition, where you can carve out your own space without being overwhelmed. Now, let's talk dollars. Assess the profitability of your niche. Are there products with high commissions? Is there a demand for these products? That's the ticket. Don't dive headfirst. Dip your toes into the waters first. Start with a few products to test the waters before going all in. So, there you have it, the secret to finding profitable niches and products for affiliate marketing. But we want to hear from you. Leave a comment below telling us about your niche or your favorite affiliate marketing tip. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more valuable insights. That's it for today, folks. Thanks for joining me on this affiliate marketing journey. Until next time, keep hustling and keep those profits rolling in. Xplorium signing off.